Hi! In front of me is POCO M5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this POCO device. You need to start by opening device's settings. Then scroll down and tap on display section. Over here you need to scroll all the way down and click on this gray switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. In order to turn it off, click on the same one. You can always go into tab menu as well and click on lock orientation icon. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is on. In order to turn it off, click on the same icon one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!